For more than 2.5 years, Mr. Dershowitz and his client Israel have gaslighted us in front of our eyes with Epstein. The mainstream media, they never mentioned his nationality as an Israeli. If that was a Muslim, it would be like all over the news. His girlfriend, Ghislaine Maxwell, was the daughter of a Mossad super spy. He was represented by you, Mr. Dershowitz, Israel's favorite lawyer, who you're also a lawyer to the Mossad. He fled to Israel when he was charged, and he was pictured wearing an IDF shirt. He was funded by pro-Israel fanatics. He worked for the Rothschild. He supported Israel settlement projects. His friends were all Zionists. He referred to us as Goyim. If you're Mossad, you can get away